Welcome back to our Introduction to ADK-TS series. I'm Timowa from IQAI, and in our previous videos, we learned what ADK-TS is and how to create custom tools that give agents real capabilities. We saw how tools transform simple chatbots into agents that can calculate, fetch weather data, and interact with APIs. But what if you could connect your agents to Telegram, Discord, GitHub, databases, and dozens of other services without writing any integration code? That's exactly what MCP tools enables. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a universal adapter for AI agents. Just like USB standardizes how devices connect to computers, MCP standardizes how AI agents connect to external services. Here's what MCP gives you: a standardized tool interface, where every MCP server exposes tools in the same way, making them instantly usable by your agents. It allows for external service integrations. You can connect to Telegram, Discord, GitHub, databases, CRMs, etc. Basically, any service with an MCP server becomes accessible to your agents. And finally, it allows for reusable capabilities. So once an MCP server is created, any agent can use it. No more reinventing the wheel for common integrations. ADK-TS provides two ways to use MCP tools: wrapper functions for IQAI supported servers and the MCP toolset class for custom servers. Let's take a look at both. But before we dive in, you might be wondering, why should you use MCP tools over custom tools from our last video? Custom tools should be used when you need specific business logic, simple calculations, or one-off integrations that are unique to your applications. While MCP tools should be used when you want to integrate with external services, especially if an MCP server already exists. Why write a Telegram integration code when someone has already built and tested it for you? The beauty is that to your agent, both will look exactly the same. It doesn't care if a tool comes from an MCP or custom code. It just uses what's available. Now back to the two ways ADK-TS provides MCP tools. The IQAI wrapper functions are the easiest way to get started. Here's how simple it is to add Telegram capabilities to your agent. The MCP Telegram wrapper handles all the complexity of starting the MCP server, establishing communication, and exposing the tools. All you have to do is provide your bot token to it. Now let's create an agent that can actually send Telegram messages. Behind the scenes, the MCP server is handling Telegram's API, authentication, message formatting, basically everything. The agent just knows it can send messages, and the MCP tools handles the rest. IQAI provides wrapper for Telegram, Discord, Near Blockchain, IQWiki, and many more services. Each one follows the same simple pattern. You create the tool set, you get the tools, and you add them to your agent. But what if you need to integrate with a service that doesn't have an IQAI wrapper? That's where the MCP toolset class comes in. This pattern works with any MCP server. The transport configuration tells ADK-TS how to start and communicate with the server. Once connected, you get tools similar to those provided by the wrapper functions. This is incredibly powerful. If your company has internal APIs, you can create an MCP server once, and every agent in your organization can use those capabilities immediately. Let me share some real-world examples of MCP in action. A customer support agent that reads from your CRM, checks other status in your database, and sends updates via Telegram, all through MCP tools. A DevOps assistant that monitors GitHub issues, checks deployment status, and sends alerts to Discord when problems arise. A sales automation agent that pulls leads from your database, enriches them with external data, and updates your CRM without a single line of integration in the agent itself. The key insight is this: MCP tools separate integration complexity from agent logic. Your agents stay focused on reasoning and decision making, Why MCP servers handle the messy details of external services. Today we have unlocked a superpower, the ability to connect your agents to any external services through MCPs. Whether you are using IQAI's convenient wrappers or connecting to custom MCP servers, your agents can now interact with the entire ecosystem of tools and services your organization uses. In our next video, we are diving deep into ADK-TS core architecture. We will explore the 6 core components: agents, runners, sections, states, memory, and tools, and understand how they work together to create intelligent AI systems. It's where we peek under the hood to truly understand what makes ADK-TS so powerful and production ready. If you are building agents that need to connect to external services, MCP tools will save you hours of integration work. Feel free to drop a comment below if you have questions about specific integrations, and subscribe for more ADK-TS content, and I will see you in the next video.